Hi, DCPS families. My name is Miss Salute, and I'm a teacher in DCPS and a member of the Washington Teachers Union. And today we just want to show you exactly how to fill out the DCPS tech survey in case you have any questions about getting your children exactly the devices they need to be successful this year during distance learning. So through this flyer, you can click here for the survey or type in this link if you can't click the survey for some reason. You can also search DCPS Tech Survey and you should find it online. This tech survey just quickly describes exactly what the survey will be used for. And the most important part here is to see that it says, please submit a separate form for each of your DCPS students. So you need to fill this out for each of your children who go to a DCPS school. Also, you can translate it into any language that you like that are available here. Let's continue with the English version. So please type in your students' first and last names. I'm just going to use mine as an example. Their birthday, their student ID, which is their login code for either Canvas or Clever. Younger students, if they have a hard time remembering it, they may remember that it's their lunch line number. It's not, you don't have to put the student ID here, but it is encouraged. So it's on the report card, things like that. You can probably call the school and ask them for it if you cannot find it anywhere, but if you really can't find it, it's okay, you can leave it blank. Put your child's school name for this upcoming school year, what grade they'll be in. So if they're gonna be in second grade this year, you should mark second. And then question 7 is really the most important one. Does your student have access to a device for learning at home? Your child might already have a DCPS device, maybe from summer school or summer bridge. If so, mark that. If they have access to a personal tablet, you can put that. However, most teachers, even the lower elementary grades, want their students to have something they can type well with and be able to access all the programs. Some tablets have a hard time accessing all programs. So even if they do have a personal tablet, you might actually want to say they don't have access to a device because the tablet just might not be enough for them to really participate. If they already have their own personal laptop or Chromebook and it works just fine, great, that's fine. But again, we're hoping that students don't count on a personal tablet when they probably could get an actual laptop. When you say that they have a DCPS issued device, it gives you a couple of options here. Number 8 says, which of the following best describes your student's access to the device? So my student has dedicated access to the device anytime for learning at home. That really means that they're the only one who's going to use it. But if you have more than one child in DCPS at your home, we really want them to each have their own device because more than likely they'll need to be online at the same time for their classes. So if you have 2 DCPS students who share access, you want to make sure that you tell them that so that they will be able to, make sure that every child in your house gets their own device. If you have more than 2 students, please mark that live in your home so that we can get you all the students a device. Our goal as teachers is for every student to have their own device. And then number 8 is about internet access. If DCPS gave you a hotspot that you're using, you can mark that. If you have your own reliable high-speed internet, mark that. But if either you don't have a hotspot from DCPS or you don't have reliable high-speed internet, then we want to make sure DCPS gets you extra support. At the end, please fill out your first and last name, an email address. There's no red star here, so if you don't have an email address or you don't use one, you can leave that blank. Your phone number, and any additional questions or comments that you might have. Again, please fill out this survey for each child that you have in your home that goes to DCPS. And please ask for a laptop so that your child can use it for all programs and type. When you're finished, please hit submit. Thank you so much.